Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Engineering Star. In this video I will be discussing about the question that was asked in 2068-70 Ashadh in Bachelor of Engineering of IOE TU, and which is also helpful for other universities. First question, question number 7 is 7 first. Evaluate line integral where f vector is 2x minus y plus z I vector plus x plus y minus z square j vector plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z k vector, and the curve is the circle x square plus y square equals 9 and z equals 0. So this circle can also be written as x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equals 3 square. X minus 0 the whole square is same thing as x square, y minus 0 the whole square is same thing as y square, and 3 square is 9. Z equals 0, so it is x y plane with the origin 0 and radius 3. This is the origin O 0, 0 and radius is 3. So if this is 3, then radius is 3. So this is a circle in parametric form. X is radius cos t, that is 3 cos t, and y is r sin t, that is 3 sin t, and z is 0. So f dot dr, f is this much, and dr is I dx plus dyj plus dz k vector. F dr is I term, that is 2x minus y plus z multiplied by dx, and z term x plus y minus z square dy, and k term 3x minus 2y plus 4 times dz. Now since z is 0, so derivative of 0 is also 0. So the whole term will be 0 because dz is 0. So z is 0, so this and this will be also 0. So remaining is 2x minus y. 2 times x is 3 cos t, 6 cos t minus y is 3 sin t, and dx is minus 3 sin t dt plus x plus y, 3 cos t plus 3 sin t times dy is 3 cos t dt. Limit is from 0 to pi because this is a circle, so to make a circle we have to rotate this line with radius 3, rotate our point. This is a 0 angle, and this is pi angle, and this is 2 pi angle, so 0 to 2 pi. So it is 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, and minus 18 cos t sin t, that is sin t cos t, minus minus plus 339 sin t sin square t plus 339 cos t cos square t plus 3 into 3 9 sin t cos t. So it's minus 18 plus 9 is minus 9 sin t cos t, and 9 is common, remaining is sin square t plus cos square t. So Sine square t plus cos square t is 1, so remaining is 9 minus multiplying by 2 at both denominator and numerator, so it is 2 sine t cos t is sine 2t, and 9 by 2 is at it is. So now we have to integrate from 0 to 2 pi. Integration of 9 is 90. If we take 9 common, then remaining is 1, so integration of 1 is t, and 9 we have taken out, so integration of sine 2t is negative cos 2t, 2 already here and 2 from this, so 2 to the 4, so minus minus plus, so substituting upper limit, it is 2 pi plus cos 0 is 1 by 4, and substituting the lower limit, it is t is 0, so 0 minus cos 0 is 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 is taken common, so 1 minus 1 will be 0, so 0 into 1 by 4 also 0, so it is 2 pi remaining, so 9 to the 18 and pi here. Next is second. Your vector is yi plus zj plus xk. Yi plus zj plus xk, and dr is dx I vector plus dy j vector plus dz k vector, and f dot dr is coefficient of I vector y dy and j dy and x dz, and we have given a circle x square plus y square equals 1, so 1 square is also 1, so 0 0 is the origin, and with the radius 1, with the radius 1. So in parametric form, x is radius times cos t, radius is 1, so 1 into cos t is cos t, y is radius sin t, that is sin t, and z is 0, so differentiating dx is derivative of cos is minus sin, derivative of sin is cos, and derivative of 0 is again 0. As t varies from, again t varies from 0, this is pi and this is 2 pi, so 0 to 2 pi. T varies from t equals 0 to t equals 2 pi. Now f dr is y dx. Y is sin t and dx is minus sin t dt, and z dy, since z is 0, whole term will be 0, and since dz is 0, and whole term will be 0, so it's minus sin t sin square t, and sin square t is same thing as 1 minus cos square t, and minus is outside. If you forgot, sin square t is 1 minus cos 2t by 2, then you can use this formula to derive. Cos 2t equals cos square t minus sin square t. Since here is sin square t, so we convert all this into sin, so it's 1 minus sin square t minus sin square t is 1 minus is 2 sine square t, and in left hand side there is cos 2t as it is. Now we need sine square t, so taking this in left hand side, so 2 sine square t is 1 minus taking it in right hand side cos 2t, so dividing both sides by 2 we get divided by 2, so sine square t is 1 minus cos 2t by 2. If you remember this formula, then no need to derive it. Now this minus and 2 taken outside, it is minus 1 by 2, and integration limit is from 0 to 2 pi, and remaining is 1 minus cos 2t dt. So integration of 1 is t, and integration of cos 2t is sine 2t divided by this 2. So substituting upper limit, that is 2 pi, so it is minus 1 by 2 is outside, and 2 pi minus cos 2 pi is 0, so 2 pi minus 0, and substituting lower limit 0, it is 0 minus sine of 0 is again this 0, so it is 2 cancels, so negative pi is the answer. Now for third question, your vector is this yzi plus zx plus 1 j plus xyk. Yzi plus zdx plus 1 j plus xyk, and dr is as usual I vector dx plus j vector dy plus k vector dz, and f dot dr is taking the dot product of these two. It is yzi plus zdx plus 1 j and xy dz, so it is yz dx plus zdx dy plus dy plus xy dz. Now you realize that this yz dx plus zdx dy plus xy dz is dxyz, because this derivative of xyz is derivative of x multiplied by yz, so this is u and this is b, so derivative of u and b is u derivative of b plus b derivative of u. Using that formula, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Now x bracket, this is u and this is b, so y derivative of z plus z derivative of y plus yz dx. Now it is, this is xy dz plus X into Z X dy plus yz dx. So derivative of x y z is x y dz, x y dz, zdx dy, zdx dy, yz dx, yz dx. So this term is same thing as derivative of x y z, and remaining is dy. And the curve is the path from 100 to 214. 100 to 214. Now integrating, it is dxyz plus dy. So this is from lower limit is 100 and upper limit is 214. Now for xyz the limit is xyz, and for y limit is of y 0 to 1. So integration and derivation cancels, and remaining is xyz from limit 100 to 214, and this cancels, and remaining is y, and from limit 0 to 1. So it is upper limit minus lower limit is 1 minus 0, and xyz, x into y into z in upper limit is 2 into 1 into 4, that is 8, and lower limit is 1 into 0 into 0, that is 0, and plus 1, 8 plus 1, that is 9. So thanks for watching. Take care.